Welcome back to another quick Libib tutorial. Today we are covering how to renew items. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for a Libib Pro account to access the features shown in today's video. Now let's get started. Now that we have logged into our Libib account, we are wanting to go over to the left-hand side where it says Lending and click that. Now that we are on the lending page, we are going to want to go over to the Checkouts tab and click that. Under the Checkouts tab, you can see that there are two items that are currently checked out in my collections. Underneath the due date, there will be a date that you can click. And when you click this, you can change the renewal date. So we're going to click that. I can change the year, the month, or the day of the item. Since the item is due today and we want to renew it for a later time, you can click the plus or the minus button to change the date, or you can highlight and type in your own date as well. So we're going to change the renewal date to September 14th and click the blue set button. And as you see, the due date has been updated successfully in the top right-hand corner, and under due date, you can see that new date as well. And that is it for our quick tutorial to show you how to renew items within Libib. If you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to us on our Contact Us site. A link will be in the description box below where you can fill out the form, and a human always responds, never a robot. Thanks for stopping by for today's tutorial video, and we will see you next time for a new one.